I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube in your browser and making sure you're signed in. This gives you access to appearance controls. Click your avatar in the top right corner to open the account menu and look for appearance or dark theme. Once you click that option, you'll see choices like Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Choose Dark Theme to switch immediately. This changes only YouTube's UI without altering other sites, so you can test visibility now. Once YouTube's setting is chosen, make sure the browser isn't overriding it. If appearance isn't visible, enable browser-level dark mode or use a trusted extension to force dark colors on sites. You can also toggle Use Device Theme to match your OS setting. This helps when you switch between light and dark system modes. After changing browser or extension settings, reload YouTube and, if needed, clear the page cache so the visual styles apply correctly and consistently. To finish, verify dark theme appears across home, watch, and library pages so it's applied site-wide. If something fails, first disable all browser extensions to rule out conflicts, then re-enable them one at a time. Extensions are common culprits. Make sure your browser is up to date, and if necessary, try another browser to isolate the issue. If it still fails, sign out and back in or restart your computer. These simple resets often resolve stubborn display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.